Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about enum strings in Java programming with the help of examples. So guys, in Java we can get the string representation of enum constants using the toString method or the name method. So previously guys, we have seen how the enum constructor works over here. So if you have not checked the previous videos, do check out the links I have given in the description as well. So over here we were having for different values of the size enum, we were having the corresponding string values as well. So guys, using the toString method, that is the inbuilt method or the name method of the enum, we can access those strings as well. So as you can see, for example, over here we have the same enum size with this set of constant values over here, and inside this main method what we are trying to do is string value of small is Size.SMALL.toString. So guys, internally what is happening is this toString method is being called for this enum, that is small over here. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples now. So what we will do over here is I will just keep this enum size and remove these lines of code, that is the constructor and the method to display the enum. I'll also remove these string representations over here. So I'll just remove this. So these values can only be separated by a comma. So I am just keeping the comma and removing the string attributes. Now guys, what we can do is, in order to access these values, we can have the print statement over here. So I'll have the print statement and then the name of the enum, that is size dot, let's say we have medium as the enum that we want to access. Now we have size.medium over here. So what this will print is, let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, medium is getting printed. But guys, we can also access this using the toString method. So when we say size.medium and then followed by toString, so as you can see, Eclipse is suggesting us the toString method over here. Let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, again medium is getting printed. So if we change the value to extra large over here instead of medium, let me just save this file, and using this toString method we can get the value that is extra large. So as you can see, extra large is getting printed. Similarly, we can use the name method as well. So let's say we have size dot, let's say we are using the large value and then followed by name. So over here again this will return the string representation. So let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, large is getting printed. So guys, we can use either toString or name method over here. But let's say we want to be little bit more descriptive over here, that is describe these values. So what we can do is we can override this toString or name method. So for example, so in order to override these values, what we will do is after this small value, we are going to have the curly braces, and inside this curly braces we can override the toString method, and inside these curly braces we will have public, and then the return type will be string since it is going to return the string value, and then we are going to have the toString method over here which is going to override the string, and inside this the body we will have return and then some string. So over here what we will return is pizza size is small. So guys, this is the description that we are going to give for this small value of this enum size. So it is going to return pizza size is small over here. So let me just save this file, and before running this code I'll have to change the value over here of size to size.small, because for small value we have provided the string value, and after this small we are going to have the toString. So let's say without the toString, if we run this code, let me just save this file and try running this code to see what will be the value. So again it is saying pizza size is small. So guys, behind the scenes it is calling this toString method, that is a toString that we have provided for this small value. If we use any other value, that is let's say we put large over here, but we have not provided the toString method for large over here, so only large should get printed. So let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, large is getting printed. In order to be more descriptive for this large value, again we can override this toString method. So let me just copy this block of code. I'll copy this and paste this over here, and instead of having this pizza size is small, I'll provide pizza size is large. And let me just save this file. I'll keep this size dot large as it is, and then let me just run this code. So as you can see, now instead of large, pizza size is large is coming over here. and then in this way we can easily override the toString method which is being called behind the scenes whenever we call the value of a particular enum. So guys, in the similar way you can override the string representations of different enum values based on your requirements and have some descriptive strings as well. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Java reflection with examples in Java programming. So stay tuned.